The Billionaire's Legacy, Unraveling the Future of Sunjay Kapur's 10,000 crore rupees estate. The sudden and tragic demise of industrialist Sunjay Kapur, chairman of the global automotive components giant Sona Comstar, on June 12, 2025, has sent ripples far beyond the corporate world. Kapur, 57, who passed away in London reportedly due to a rare anaphylactic shock after a bee sting during a polo match, leaves behind not only a thriving business empire valued at an estimated 10,300 crore rupees $1.2 billion but also a complex personal legacy. With Sona Comstar's market capitalization hovering around 31,000 crore rupees $4 billion, the burning question now centers on the succession of his vast fortune and the intricate web of Indian inheritance law. Kapur's life was marked by significant personal chapters, reflected in a complex family dynamic. He was married 3 times and is survived by 3 biological children, Samira 20 and Kian 14, from his high-profile second marriage to actress Karisma Kapoor, and 6-year-old Azarias, born to his third and current wife, Priya Sachdev. He also embraced Priya's daughter from a previous marriage as his own. The legal landscape of inheritance. Under the Hindu Succession Act of 1956, a pivotal piece of legislation in India, all biological children are legally entitled to a share of their father's property. This fundamental right exists irrespective of the parents' marital status at the time of death, meaning Samira and Kian, despite their parents' divorce, hold a statutory claim. However, the presence of a legally drafted will introduces a powerful variable into this equation. A valid will can explicitly designate heirs and their respective allocations, potentially overriding the default distribution rules of intestate succession. As of now, sources close to the family indicate no public confirmation of such a document. The absence of a will would mean Kapur's estate would be divided among his legal heirs, which include all his biological children and his surviving spouse, Priya Sachdev. Past settlements and future claims. Kapur's divorce from Bollywood star Karisma Kapoor in 2016 was a widely publicized affair, culminating in a Supreme Court-monitored alimony agreement designed to safeguard their children's financial future. Reports from that period detailed that Sunjay Kapur had already set aside bonds worth 14 crore rupees each for Samira and Kian, coupled with a monthly income of 10 lakh rupees. Karisma herself received his father's Mumbai residence and full custody of their children. While these arrangements addressed child support and post-divorce alimony, they do not necessarily preclude Samira and Kian from a share of Kapur's remaining corporate and personal wealth. Their potential inheritance hinges entirely on whether a will exists and, if so, its specific provisions. Priya Sachdev's central role. Priya Sachdev, Kapur's third wife and mother to his youngest son, Azarias, is widely considered a principal beneficiary. As his spouse at the time of his death, she holds a strong legal claim over his assets. Her daughter from a previous marriage, whom Kapur reportedly welcomed into his family, further adds to the complex tapestry of beneficiaries. The crossroads of a business empire. Beyond personal wealth, the succession of Sona Comstar itself is a critical concern. Following the tragedy, the company issued a statement emphasizing business continuity and respect for Kapur's legacy, but no official successor has been named. Media speculation points to Kapur's sisters potentially taking on management roles, though this remains unconfirmed by the company. The boardroom, for now, remains without its longtime captain. The coming weeks are expected to shed more light on the intricacies of Sunjay Kapur's multi-crore legacy as legal proceedings and probate processes commence. Until then, the future of his vast wealth and the leadership of his global enterprise remain delicately poised between family bloodlines, corporate governance, and the dictates of Indian law. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to join the conversation in the comments. See you soon.